Let me paint you a picture. It's late at night. You're lying in bed scrolling through your phone. The screen glows as you jump between apps, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, but none of it feels fulfilling. You're exhausted, anxious, and wondering, why do I feel so out of control? Here's the truth no one tells you. The chaos isn't just out there in the world. It's also in here, in your mind. If you feel stuck, overwhelmed, or directionless, it's not because you're failing. It's because your mind is running on an outdated program. Think of it like this. If your mind were a computer, it's probably cluttered with too many tabs open, apps running in the background, and old files slowing it down. What you need is a reset, a complete mental reboot to clear out the noise and take back control. This video is going to show you how. Stick with me, and I'll give you a step-by-step guide to reset your mind, eliminate mental clutter, and build a system for clarity and focus in 2025. No fluff, no empty motivation, just actionable strategies that work. Here's the roadmap. First, we're going to uncover the hidden traps that hijack your mind. Next, I'll show you how to reset and rewire your brain for clarity and control. And finally, we'll dive into the habits and systems that will keep you in charge for good. If you miss even one part of this, you'll stay stuck while everyone else moves ahead. Let's go. Step 1. Understand the traps that hijack your mind. Let's start with the traps. You can't fix what you don't understand. There are 3 primary traps that keep you from taking control of your mind. Trap 1. The overload loop. We live in a world that bombards us with information. News, notifications, opinions. Your mind is drowning. When you're overstimulated, you can't think clearly. Decisions feel impossible. Your goals, they get buried under an avalanche of noise. To break this loop, you need to simplify. Stop consuming mindlessly. Start asking, does this add value to my life? If it doesn't, cut it out. Delete the app. Unfollow the account. Protect your mental bandwidth like your life depends on it, because it does. Trap 2. Comfort addiction. Comfort feels good, doesn't it? Scrolling endlessly, eating junk food, staying in bed a little longer. But comfort is a cage. It's where dreams go to die. Your mind tricks you into thinking you're safe, but in reality, you're stagnating. You need to rewire how you see comfort. Instead of craving the easy way, train yourself to crave growth, even when it's uncomfortable. Growth isn't painless, but it's the only way out of the trap. Trap 3. Negative self-talk. The third trap is negative self-talk. We all have that inner critic. It's the voice that says, you're not good enough, you're too late, or why even bother? Let me ask you this. Would you talk to a friend the way you talk to yourself? Probably not. Yet most of us let that negative voice run wild. Here's the truth. That voice is lying, but the longer you listen to it, the more you believe it. You need to replace it with a new narrative, one where you're the hero, not the victim. You'll learn how in the next step. Step 2. Reset your mind. Once you've identified the traps, it's time to reset. Think of this as a factory reset for your brain, clearing out the old programming and installing something better. Reset 1. Create mental space. Resetting your mind starts with creating space. Imagine a cluttered room. You can't focus or relax in it until you clean it up. Your mind works the same way. One of the most powerful tools for this is silence. Take 10 to 30 minutes each day to sit in silence. No phone, no TV, no music, just you and your thoughts. At first, it'll feel uncomfortable. Your brain will try to pull you back into distraction, but it's critical. In the silence, your mind begins to detox, but stick with it. This silence is where clarity begins. Reset 2. Reframe your mindset. Next, you need to reframe your mindset. Instead of focusing on problems, focus on possibilities. Instead of asking, why is this happening to me? Ask, what can I learn from this? One way to do this is through journaling. Every morning, write down 3 affirmations and 1 goal for the day. For example, I am capable of achieving my goals. I am focused and disciplined. I am improving every day. Journaling isn't just a feel-good exercise. It's a way to rewire your brain for success. Reset 3. Detox your environment. You don't just need less noise. You need less everything. Look at your life, your schedule, your commitments, your possessions. What's truly essential? What's just clutter? Your environment shapes your mind. If your workspace, home, or digital life is cluttered, it's going to affect your focus and energy. Take one weekend to do a full detox. Declutter your home, organize your workspace, unsubscribe from emails, and delete apps that don't serve you. A clean space equals a clear mind. Step 3. Build systems for long-term control. Resetting your mind is powerful, but without systems, it won't last. Here's how to create habits that keep you in control. System 1. The Power Morning. Your morning sets the tone for your entire day. Mastering your mornings means taking control of how you start, intentionally and with purpose. Begin by creating a morning ritual that energizes your body, clears your mind, and sets clear intentions. This could include a brief meditation, journaling, or exercise, activities proven to boost focus and productivity. The key is consistency. By dedicating even 15 minutes each morning to this practice, you're signaling to your brain that you're in charge. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about starting the day with clarity and control. A powerful morning routine is your first step toward reclaiming your mind and your life. System 2. Focused deep work. In a world full of distractions, the ability to focus deeply has become a superpower. Deep work is about carving out uninterrupted blocks of time to tackle your most important tasks, those that require creativity, problem-solving, or critical thinking. Start by eliminating distractions. Put your phone on silent, close unnecessary tabs, and create a workspace that minimizes interruptions. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method or time blocking to structure your focus periods effectively. During this time, give your full attention to the task at hand. No multitasking. It may feel uncomfortable at first, but with practice, you'll notice increased efficiency and a deeper sense of accomplishment. Focused deep work isn't just about getting things done. It's about training your mind to engage fully, allowing you to produce your best work and take back control of your mental clarity. Your mind is your greatest asset. It can either be your biggest obstacle or your most powerful ally. The choice is yours. Here's the most important part. Commit to the process. Resetting your mind isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a daily practice, but every small step you take brings you closer to the life you want. 2025 is your year. The year you stop letting your mind control you. The year you take back your power. Follow these steps, and you won't just survive. You'll thrive. And remember, every small change adds up to something big. If you want to level up in life, check out this video here.